Hi, so this video is about creating shapes and clipping images into the shapes as well as creating a background color or customized background color um, after the fact. So you can create it while you import in Canvas. For me, I personally like doing it after. So I like to create transparent background and then create my own background color. And then we'll see why later on. So first thing is if these are visible, make it unvisible by clicking on it so you don't get distracted. We're come down here to the menu, select solid color. Okay, the color picker will show up and I'm just going to click an off-white for now. And I'm going to click OK. So let's talk about layers a little bit while we're here. If you notice, it's actually in the middle right here. So because it's 100% opacity, which means solid, I will not be able to see anything below. Okay, so let's see, you can't see the person there. However, anything above I can see. So if I unhide that, you start seeing stacking on top of each other. And because they're not full, they're not as big as a canvas, right? I can still see the background color there. However, if I bring the background color all the way to the top, because it's solid, it's like a wall, right? Just put a wall in front of all these items, I will not be able to see it unless I change the opacity here to and lower the opacity to whatever I want. Okay, so let's keep it 100 for now, and we are going to okay, click too long, so I'm going to drag it down to the bottom. So you hold and drag. So now it's the background. Double click on this area and change it to background. Okay, so I'm going to hide the other, all of it, because I'm going to create shapes. So let's go to the tools here, and we're going to create a, just call it an ellipse frame. So if you hold shift, it'll be a perfect circle. If you don't hold shift, it'll just be an ellipse. So I'm not holding shift right now. I'm going to change it. Circle doesn't matter. So click OK. Let's create another, for example, let's create a rectangle. So I'm going to create a rectangle. Again, bring the rectangle down. So now I'm going to show you how to clip it in. So let's go back to the person, make it visible, and I am going to hold Option Command G. So I just clip that image into that rectangular shape there. Okay. So I'm going to bring the feather down to the list to give you an example, and then make it visible. Option Command G for Mac, and now is visible there in that shape. Okay, so I'm going to move it around because it's not that precise. Again, using this cursor tool or this move tool, make sure that this is selected, and then I'm going to move it. Right, so I'm going to move it till I see the feather. It's a little bit big, so again, like last time, Command T or Edit Free Transform, and then we're going to reshape it. Again, I like the proportion to stay put, so I'm going to link it, make sure it's linked there. Okay, click OK. Same here, I want the girl, I want to see the girl here, so I'm going to click on the layer here and then move her into the frame like so. Okay, so this is called clipping. So if you notice, there's a down arrow. It means that I clip the image into the shape below. Okay, so we're gonna do, let's create this with the narrative layout. So like last time, we have all these rectangular area here. what I can do is I'm just going to copy this. So you don't need to do this. I'm just showing you that in the narrative layout file. So I'm going to copy that. Or when you import your image into here, what you can create is you can create the shape, rectangular shapes, and then I can put the rectangular shape nicely in the grid like this. Okay. Bring my layer above the image, above it. Option Command G to clip. Okay, you can't see it because the image is here, so we're going to click on the Move tool. And we're going to move her right into the image. Okay, and then she doesn't fit nicely. We can transform, edit, free transform, or Command T or Control T in Windows. Make sure she's linked so she's not morphed or distorted. Okay, and click OK. So you see, so not the entire image is shown, just that little portion. Okay, so this is a little bit more advanced than what we did last week, but give you an idea on how to clip images to shape, or how to use shapes in that.